Hi, welcome to the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. So today is December 21st. It's called the solstice. It is the longest nighttime and the shortest day of the year. The sky, or the sun in the sky, is at its lowest point. From this tomorrow forward, every day the sun will start rising a little bit higher in the sky, to where in the summertime it'll be like over pretty close to a 90-degree angle above you, to where solar panels like these right here will do excellent because they're at a 90-degree angle. So in the wintertime, I just wanted to talk to you about the lack of production. You have so much shade because of that sun being so low in the sky that it's 8:30 in the morning. It was 45 degrees this morning. There's no sun on that. It'll be hours before that gets. It'll probably be like 10:30 before I get full sun on those over there. And it's just the way it is. Now, if I had this and that array in full sun where there was no shade or anything, that's 2,600 watts of mono panels. I could probably get about 2-3 kilowatt out of that with the sun being so low in the sky. And these are used solar panels. The new N-type coming out are much better and will start giving you much better production even when they're partially shaded in that. These are just mono. These are probably about 6 or 8 years old mono panels. I picked up $30 a piece. It was for 18 solar panels, it was less than $500. And they, right now, even in the day with shade on this, they'll actually give me a decent production throughout the day. In about an hour, I'll start getting probably about 1.5 kilowatt out of this 5 kilowatt system. Like I said, I only paid like $480 out the door for 18 solar panels or 16 solar panels. Anyways, if you're doing an off-grid system, just really kind of consider where you're going to be putting your solar panels in the wintertime, because the wintertime is the least production you will get, and it can be miserably low. So just want you to keep that in mind. Like I said, if these solar panels were probably like 10 feet back, they would be in full sun if there was no wall there or anything like that. And if you have an open yard like that, that would be great. That's pretty much it. Hope you have a truly wonderful and extremely blessed holiday and New Year. See you in the next video.